Good morning. Hello. Good morning, children.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. I'll call out your names now. I will like to see your
Cotton,
face.
ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Cotton, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Am I audible?
Cotton, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
These all pictures should not come to me. I will like to see you with your school uniform. Are you there, children? Hello?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Only section C and F people are here.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, children. I think you people are not ready. It's already time. 12 to 12:40 is our class timing. I'll call out the names now. I'd like to see your faces also. You will enter to the class with the proper school uniform as instructed. Already I've told you in the WhatsApp message I have already sent. Aninja, I would like to see your face. Switch on your camera and your voice should reach me. Aninja Panda, section C. Aninja, where are you? Are you there? Aninja. Okay, move forward. Previous class also she was absent. Aparna, are you there? Aparna? Aparna, are you there? No.
Present, ma'am.
Yes? Can I see you?
Present.
Okay. Okay. Where are you? Show your face. Aparna.
Yes, ma'am. Present.
Okay. Haripriya. Haripriya, are you there? No. Lagnajita, I can see you.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Manisha Manta. Manisha. Aparna Purohit, your name is there. Face I could see.
Arya.
Nivedita.
Present, ma'am.
Nivedita, then Manisha Manta. Manisha. Pratyasha.
Present, ma'am.
Face not seen. Rima Panna. Rima. Ronald Jhanjaria is writing, ma'am, I'm not added in maths group of section A. Okay, I'm adding up now. Ansuman Sahu, I have already added you yesterday. Okay. Priyanka Sahu. Priyanka Sahu.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Rima Panna. Rima. Saloni. Saloni. Biswa. Sneha Nayak.
Present, ma'am.
Shubhra Sweta. Sneha, you don't have school uniform. This is your sports uniform you are wearing.
Yeah, ma'am.
What's wrong with you? You are old student. What happened? Sneha, what's your problem? Not with school
Present, ma'am.
uniform?
Tomorrow I will go.
Mahanta.
From
Okay.
next class I will go.
Okay. Shubhra Sweta.
Present, ma'am.
Then Surabhi.
Present, ma'am.
Surabhi. Then Krishna Sarveshra. Even Shubhra, you are not with proper school uniform. You are with sports uniform. Susri, are you there? Tamanna,
Present, ma'am.
Tamanna present. Vijeta, Abhas,
Present, ma'am.
Aditya Adhikari, Aditya Adhikari, Ronak, phone number if you can give me, I can add you.
Sure, ma'am.
You just give me your number in this chat also. If you give, I can add you. Okay. Aditya Adhikari, are you there? No. Okay, fine. Aditya Pradhan. Aditya Pradhan. No. The previous class also he was absent. Anshul Manti.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Ansuman Pradhan.
Present, ma'am.
Asutosh Aryaman Barik.
Present, ma'am.
Asutosh Gupal.
Present, ma'am.
Atman Chintan.
Present. Present, ma'am.
You are absent previous class, beta? Atman,
Yes, ma'am.
you are absent previous class on 1st August?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Ayush? Ayush,
Present, ma'am.
okay. Rupesh?
Present, ma'am.
Vishwaranjan? Vishwaranjan? No. Previous class also absent. Hare Krishna Barik? Hare Krishna Barik, are you there? No. Harshit Singh
Yes,
Dev?
ma'am. He is present. Ma'am, he is writing present. Ma'am, he is writing the text. Ma'am, Hare Krishna is present.
Who is present? Hare Krishna Barik? Yes. Yes, Hare Krishna, I can see your message, but I can't see your face anyhow. Harshit Singh Dev?
Present, ma'am.
Show your face, not this picture.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Show your face, not this cartoon picture. Okay. Jaydev?
Present, ma'am.
Mukesh Kishan? Mukesh Kishan?
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Nirmal Tanti?
Present, ma'am.
Then Piyush Parida.
Present, ma'am.
Then Pratyush Sahu. Pratyush Sahu, are you there?
Ma'am.
Pratyush Sahu, no, I can't see. Pratyush Sahu, no. Okay. Roshan Naik.
Present, ma'am.
Satyam Naik.
Present, ma'am.
Shamit Mehra. Shuklus Naik. Shuklus. Vinay Bhatt.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Priyadarshini Dhala.
Ma'am, present. Suplas, ma'am.
Who is present? Vinay Bhatt.
Ma'am, Suplas.
Suplus. Acha. What's your pronunciation? Suplus or Suplus? What is it?
Ma'am, Suplas.
Suplus. Okay, okay. Then Priyadarshini. We'll go to section F now. Sambhavi, I can see your name here.
Present, ma'am.
Suruchi,
Present, ma'am.
Jigyasa.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Haripriya. Yes, Haripriya.
Present, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
Anubhav Malik.
Present, ma'am.
Where is your school uniform?
Ma'am, I'm out
Printed
of
shirt.
station, so I don't have my school uniform right now.
So you'll be coming with this formal dress now
Yes, ma'am.
till you get your school uniform.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Anubhav Malik,
Present, ma'am.
Abhishek Mishra, Abhishek Mishra, are you there? Yes, I can see your name. Romeo Ranjan. Abhishek, you are here or you just on it and moved out? Romeo Ranjan.
Present, ma'am.
Atirup Mishra.
Present, ma'am.
Manjaria. Rana. Varun, are you there?
Present, ma'am.
Rupam Bhuiya. Rupam Bhuiya, are you there? Rupam. Suman Sahu.
Yes, ma'am.
Jagdish Singh. Jagjit Singh there? No. Okay. Now with this online classes, children, we all will be knowing each other by this media only, right? Now, whatever portion we have completed, that is through your video or your notes or audio, right? Or WhatsApp discussion, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, you just tell me freely all those 7 chapters up to triangle. I have already sent you what is deleted. Did you note it down, Chalan?
Yes, ma'am.
Today we will be discussing in detail about our completion of portion, and then whatever doubt you have, chapter wise I'll keep asking you. Be free to share with me so that we can move forward for this quadrilateral chapter. 1st of August, because it was not formally arranged and how many children are present. I just wanted to teach you and to see how many children are attending, how you are responding. But today we will be knowing each other and the portion we have completed, and then tomorrow onwards again our rigorous studies, right?
Yes,
Am I
ma'am.
audible, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Now tell me, I'll go one by one the chapters. First was your number system. Okay, who is it? Who's
Ma'am, Aditya Adhikari.
Aditya Adhikari? What happened?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, due to technical
Okay, I'll mark you present. Don't worry.
problems, I
No
couldn't
problem.
join earlier, so
No,
I just.
okay, not an issue at all. You tell me now number system, if you have any doubt in any part, irrational numbers,
Thank you, ma'am.
and the decimal expansion, representing real number on the number line, operations on real numbers, laws of exponents for real numbers. These are the 6 subparts of your number system. If I cannot hear you, don't worry, children. You can type in your chart part, I can answer you. If I am audible to you, you can type it in the chart. Here, one more thing I would like to tell you, children. What is that, you know? Presentation of decimal numbers, which you have already done with your practical class also. I think Gosar had given you one video. Yes, square root of
Yes, ma'am.
numbers, square root spiral we call it.
Yes, ma'am.
And other one is square root of a decimal number. Both are two different things. One is
Yes,
your
ma'am.
square root spiral of whole numbers, and the other one is your square root of decimal numbers.
Decimal number.
Procedures are different because directly I cannot explain it to you. I feel there may be a doubt for anybody. If you face difficulty, do tell me that you are not clear, then again I can explain you.
And that line with the square root of decimal number is the representation of decimal number in a number line.
Okay, okay. Do you know the difference of presentation of these two?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. Okay, listen to me then. Am I audible? Tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, okay. Then listen me. One is the square root of whole number. What you do here, directly on the number line.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes,
Hello, ma'am.
yes.
Ma'am, my mic has been glitched, so I leave the meeting and join again.
No, no harm, no harm. This is our introductory class. The previous class I was just testing. Okay. How you are
Okay, ma'am.
responding. Today we will be discussing in detail what all we have finished, what all to be completed up to August of 15th of August. Okay. I think we
Okay,
have
ma'am.
already uploaded in the site. You must have seen it.
Yes, ma'am.
Still?
No, ma'am. This class before 2 minutes.
No, no, no. I was just interacting with the children.
Hello, ma'am. Actually, before 2 minutes, I was saying that I am
No
present,
harm,
but
no
the
harm.
mic has been glitched.
No harm, beta. Nothing I have taught. I was talking to children only. Okay. Don't worry.
Okay, ma'am.
Your
Thank you,
doubt
ma'am.
you can ask me. If you have any doubt, For any part, you can ask me. Now
Thank you, ma'am.
coming to our decimal representation.
Yes, sir.
What is the difference between the two that I wanted to pass? What is that? One is your whole number. Directly you take on the number line. And after finding out, and there is a trick also in 2 steps for some numbers. Like if I give you square root of 17, you can break it to the square root of 2 squared numbers. Like 17, square root of 17 can be written as 16 plus 1. Why will I break? What is the benefit if I break? 16 is the whole square of
Ma'am, square of 4
4 plus
and 1 is itself square of 1.
square of 1. In that part, in 2 steps, you can show the square root on the number line directly. Will
Yes,
I
ma'am.
on the board, or if I explain it is clear to you?
Ma'am, we can't hear you. I think there's static in your voice, so it will be better if you could show us.
I will show on the board, no harm. Just see to the board. Is it clear to you, children?
Yeah, ma'am.
My voice also clear? This is the doubt you asked me on chapter 1. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Suppose you have been given the square root of any whole number. How will you show it? Either you have to go step by step, root 1, root 2, root 3, root 4, continuously, or some numbers like your, as I told you, root of 17. Can I write this root of 17 as root of 16 plus 1? Is it the same thing, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. What is the benefit if I break it like this? 16 is a square of 4. 1 is
4.
square of
Itself
1.
square of 1.
This case, what will we do? We'll take the whole numbered line 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. Yes? I had shown you square of 4 plus square of 1. If I take from 0 to 4, I got 4. And if I take normal, perpendicular here, and I intersect at 1, if I join it to 0, this is my square root of 17. Why? How do we find it out? This is your square of this plus square of this root over. Square of 4 is 16 plus square of this vertical line, that is your
Yes,
perpendicular.
ma'am.
That is your root of
Yes, ma'am.
16 plus 1. We got this.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, I can.
Ma'am, I'm getting a bit of static. I cannot see it clearly, so I'm leaving the meeting and joining back.
No, I couldn't hear you again.
Ma'am, I said that, ma'am, I'm getting some static. I cannot see the board clearly, so, ma'am, I'm just leaving the meeting and coming back.
Now, we got root 17 is the hypotenuse of this right triangle, whose base is 4 units and height or the perpendicular is 1. So square of 4 is 16 and square of 1 is 1. So this hypotenuse is our root 17. Now take it as your radius and then mark it with your dotted line. Wherever it intersects, that point to be circled. That is your from here to here, 0 to this point where you have already shown it. That is your root of 17. Understood? Clear now? Now, otherwise, what are you doing? You are doing step by step for numbers, but all the numbers cannot be thrown this way. Some numbers, when you can break the number into square of two numbers only, you can use it. Is that clear now?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, if
Tell me.
ma'am, if you have written 16 plus 1, if in place of 1, any other number will be there, then the perpendicular
I'll
length
tell
we
you.
will
Suppose
calculate.
you have got 3 square plus 2 square. 3 square is 9, 2 square is 4.
And
Now, 9 plus 4, root 13 also can be broken. That is what I wanted
yes,
to
ma'am.
say. If any
Ma'am,
number,
then the perpendicular length we will take as the 2.
yes, you can take the vertical also 3 and the
Yeah, ma'am.
any one, either or.
Yeah, ma'am.
There is no hard and fast rule. You have to take the base to be the longest one only. You can take the base as 1 also. Then the perpendicular can be taken as 4. No harm. Either or. Followed?
Yes, ma'am.
These two
Yeah, ma'am.
numbers to be taken. One is to be base, one has to be perpendicular.
Perpendicular.
Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
No hard and fast rule. Only the base can be 4 and the height could be 1. You can take the base as 1 also. Only the breaking of the number to be very carefully done. If they are square of two numbers, then you can use this single step.
Yes, ma'am.
I hope it is clear to you.
Yeah, ma'am.
Then the other one is not to be directly taken on the number line. What will you do there? You will find out the square root of the decimal number. You all must be having the book with you. Go to page number. Let me open the book. It is on the page number. Towards end of the chapter, it is page number 20. It starts with 19 and exactly the construction given in 20. That is,
And that one is the dot.
taken the same units to be taken on the number line, and then after finding it out, you have to take it on the number line and mark it. Here you can take it directly. There you have to take the same unit, find out separately, then mark it on the number line. This is the difference. I hope it's clear to you. This is
Yes,
from my
ma'am.
side. I have asked you. From your side, if you have any doubt, do ask me now from first chapter, number system. If not, then go to polynomials.
No, ma'am, nothing down.
Polynomial, any doubt? Then coming to coordinate geometry.
No, ma'am.
Even if afterwards also, if you find any doubt in our this live class regularly we'll be having, you can ask me. Whatever chapter I may be teaching, but if you have any doubt, if you are answering some questions from reference books and you find some doubt, don't feel bad to ask. Be free and ask. Once you pile up your doubts, it can never be cleared. Okay? What is this?
Yes, ma'am.
Aparna is writing, ma'am, can we write x-axis as negative x-axis? Left hand side part is negative x-axis.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay? Not the full x-axis. Obviously, you all be knowing this is your abscissa.
Yes, ma'am. Abscissa and ordinate.
Yes, to the 0 to the left part is negative x-axis. I have answered in the group also. Somebody asked me. Okay. Then coming to linear equations in two variables. No.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Then this Euclid's geometry chapter is deleted. According to the board's
Yes, ma'am.
instruction, you have to delete this, but we cannot delete in reading. That is what I have mentioned in our discussion also. And we have to go through it, we should understand it, but no questions will be framed from this separately in your exam.
Ma'am, and what about the axioms and the theorems postulates?
No, I couldn't follow you.
Ma'am, what about the axioms, theorems and postulates which were given in chapter
Axioms
5?
and postulates, axioms are purely for geometry and postulates
Yes,
for
ma'am.
general.
Ma'am, you have to learn those, no. Ma'am, which are given in chapter 5, you
Yes,
have to learn those. No? Ma'am, that will not fall in the exam.
that won't be coming for your exam, brother.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am,
I will not frame any question from that
Further, it
chapter,
will not,
but you have to
ma'am,
use
further,
times for your theorem proofs.
yes, ma'am, that's why I asked.
Then,
ma'am,
yes,
excuse me, ma'am, you said that postulates are general truth and axioms are only for
did I tell you
geometry.
opposite or what?
Ma'am,
Yes,
yes,
ma'am.
ma'am, I think you
Okay,
did.
okay. Axioms, general postulates are for geometry. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Purely for geometry is your postulates. And here one thing you should not forget, we are using this fifth postulate I mean to say, which is purely applicable to geometry only, gives
Yes,
rise to
ma'am.
your what? Who will tell me this? Already I have given this answer, this discussion in our WhatsApp interaction. Parallel lines. Did you understand or not? Fifth postulate, how many of you have?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that gives
Yes, ma'am.
rise to the parallel lines.
Parallel lines.
Understood? Rest are very simple to follow. Only fifth postulate gives rise to your parallel lines.
Hmm.
Then coming to your lines and angles. This is quite a big chapter and various applications are also there. This is applied in your triangles also, any polygon. More than 3 sides and more than 3 sides you have got closed figures. And in figures also, simple figures which are bounded by straight lines you call polygons. If you have got continuously curved lines, they are not your polygons. Like if I draw, just I think you have this idea. Suppose I draw a figure like this. This is also combination of some lines which are curved lines. But can we call this to be a polygon?
No, ma'am.
No.
No, ma'am.
If I take any figure which is bounded by straight lines,
Line segments.
they are called polygons. Poly means many, gons means sided figures, many sided figure. So with two sides if I take, can I get a closed figure?
No, ma'am.
No. So I cannot call it to be a polygon.
Polygon.
That is why a three-sided figure where we can get a closed figure on a plane, we call it to be polygons.
Polygon.
What do we name it? Because three sides we say triangle.
Triangle.
In a triangle, children, how many parts are there?
Ma'am, part.
Ma'am, part
Important. These questions are very basic things.
Ma'am, part 6.
6. Okay. When I deal with a triangle, if 6 parts are there, to what all I will mean, which are considered to be
Ma'am,
part of the
angles
6
and
parts?
sides.
Ma'am, which
Angles,
kind of parts
three
are you
angles are-
asking for?
Oh my God, it's a general question. In a triangle, we get 6 parts. So what all we
Ma'am,
include
3
here?
sides and 3 angles.
3 sides and 3
Yes,
angles.
ma'am, 3 centimeters.
Why do we consider only these 6 parts? Because basing on the angles, we divide it into different triangles. According to them, we
Yeah.
have some names: acute angled triangle, right angled triangle,
Isosceles angle,
and
equilateral
isosceles
angle.
that is basing on the angles. Then basing on the sides also, we name the triangle.
Isosceles.
So these are the 2 different things combining which we get 6 parts. Am I clear?
Yeah, ma'am.
This is all your refreshing different chapters. Quadrilateral, we are halfway, but because we did not face to face interact earlier, that is why I'm asking you this. Anything from your side, if you have up to triangles, you can ask me now. Otherwise, anything more you want to ask, you can ask me tomorrow. 2-3 minutes more left. Are you there, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt?
Yes, ma'am.
Anything to be clear?
No, ma'am.
No? Now, one question I'll ask you basing on this Saturday's 1st August test. It was question number, just let me open the question, then I'll ask you. It was on the triangles. It is number 7. Maximum Chalan had not answered me correctly. D is a point on BC of triangle ABC and AD bisects angle BAC. Then, which is the true statement? This is a theorem. That is BD is to DC equal to AB is to AC. Why I had given it? Because directly I could not teach you. So the different basic theorems I should ask you as the application. Have you gone through these theorems? If not gone through, you have to go through now. You will not find this in your NCERT book, but you can get it in the reference book.
On triangles.
No, I couldn't hear you.
No, in triangles theorem.
Yes. So many theorems are there. This is the very basic one I had given you.
Yes, ma'am.
You have to not restrict yourself to only NCERT. I told you this is a basic book. We are going to do everything from NCERT, but different applications. You people said, ma'am, we are doing R.D. Sharma. In R.D. Sharma, you will get all these questions.
Yeah, ma'am. Ma'am,
Be
MCQs
sincere.
and very short type questions.
Now,
are
a time has come where you have to work hard. Self-studies is much more important. I'm always with you to clear your doubt, to show you the right path. Okay?
Ma'am,
Tell me.
ma'am, one question is there. Can I send it in the group? You will
Why not?
solve it.
Again and again, regularly I keep sending the messages that feel free to ask. You ask any question in the group, I'll answer it.
Yeah, ma'am.
Any doubt from any chapter, what we have completed. Whatever not completed, for that you have to wait. Okay? So we'll wind up now, Chalan.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, Chalan, bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome, Chalan. Again, we'll be
Thank you,
meet
ma'am.
each other tomorrow, but doubts you can ask me, post me in the group, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
If possible, to give the answer in group, WhatsApp group, I'll send it.